morning! I woke up early today because today is Luke's birthday. It's his third birthday today and we are preparing for a small surprise party for him. The plan is it's gonna be a DIY party, but I have to make sure that the decoration will be the easiest one and the fastest setup that we can do. Here is my idea of a very easy DIY birthday party. The theme is superheroes. So my plan is to decorate, set up, and celebrate within 1 to 2 hours. We have to celebrate before Luke takes his nap. So we're going to show you how. It's gonna be a challenge, but I think it's doable. I printed all the decorations, cut it, and put them all together. Hi guys! So we're ready to do the decoration. We're going to set up and then celebrate. When celebrating a toddler's birthday, I think timing is very important. It's either they are very active or they are sleepy and grumpy. It's almost Luke's nap time, so we only have 1 hour to finish everything. Luke is now growing up, so he's now into superheroes like Hulk, Spider-Man, so we thought this is a perfect theme for his birthday. I also arranged a superheroes themed centerpiece using a jar and pebbles. And I added these cute superheroes mini cupcakes. And to complete the setup, we decorated the cake with superheroes and dinosaurs. These are Luke's favorite. This is our DIY superheroes birthday theme for Luke. Thank you Super Daddy Chad for helping me decorate and set up. And to make it more fun, we bought superhero capes and masks online. You're a superhero. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Okay, you blow your candle. Blow.
Blow.
Blow. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Blow.
One more.
One more.
Wow! Very good! Thank you for watching, and to get our latest DIY videos, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.